On August 8, 2025, in Centreville, Virginia, police responded to reports of a person drinking in their vehicle behind a strip mall.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
What's going on?
Not much.
Are you an attorney?
I am.
Commonwealth.
Uh-oh.
You're good. Someone called on you for some reason. I don't know why.
Not good.
They said you were drinking beer. I don't know if this is true or not. Yes, no, maybe so. No. Okay. All right. Are you headed to work?
I am.
Okay. Do you have an ID real quick?
I do.
Appreciate it. Don't you guys normally get in at 8 o'clock?
I'm actually going to go in, but I have to do some things before I go in.
Okay. All right, cool. Do you normally park back here real quick?
No.
No? Okay. All right, just sit tight. Thanks, buddy. Commonwealth attorney.
Yeah.
Go check if that's beer. Go check if that's beer. When I asked him if it's a beer, he just looked at me.
Yeah, I know exactly what it is.
Is that one of the non-alcoholic beers?
No, that's one of my favorite beers. It's called First Night.
Okay.
It's 10% bottle.
He said he's going in late.
He's going away to work?
Huh?
He's heading to work?
Huh?
Did you see the pictures on the passenger seat?
You know who this is. He's a Commonwealth attorney for us.
Yeah, that's definitely I know that beer well. Sorry, you been drinking? I know that I know that beer.
Listen, I'm not out to get you. You know, you are parked here, you're smoking cigarettes, and if you are drinking, alright, you shouldn't be drinking out here. Alright.
I'm going to head to work and forget about all this.
Okay. My concern is just the way you parked and everything.
It's because I'm only going to be here for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Checking my email. That's all I was doing.
Okay. So the only thing I want to know is that I guess our complainant called in and said that you normally come over here and park. They didn't describe who they were. They said they drive through this area every day and they say they normally see your car and they see you there drinking. I don't know. It's my first time. Obviously I've seen you often, but it's my first time seeing you here. Okay. Just concerning drinking.
How many of those have you had?
There's that one right there.
I see another one. There's another one on the...
I can't.
Huh?
Not that one.
You didn't drink that one?
That's it.
Is that another Dogfish IPA on that too?
I didn't even see it.
Is there more in the car?
Do you have anyone to come pick you up?
I mean...
Give me a second. Call Glasgow. X-ray 103, road 10-4. Yo. Hello? Can you hear me? You got Glassman on the next to you? Ah, shit. Alright. This is a Commonwealth attorney that's drunk. Eric Clegan? No, but he's intoxicated. So I'm trying to help him out. I'm losing you, sorry. Hey. My stop over here. It's a Commonwealth attorney. Give me a second. Just let Duffy ring. He has been drinking. So he said he's going to work here soon. I'm like, no, you're not. So he's parked a little crooked. The car's not on. He was outside of it smoking and drinking. So he says he does live right down the street. He's been cool with us. And I was like, hey man, I recognize you. I know you're a Commonwealth attorney. That's the first thing I told him. He says he so this is not like the incident in Manassas where they arrested her for dip and disorderly and shit like that. He's been chill with us, but I don't feel comfortable with him driving. So I was like, hey, I don't even think comfortable with him walking. Okay. Stu. It's a subject stop, not traffic stop. On the phone with Glassman Major. It's Eric Kilgan.
Jesus, it's 8 in the morning. So, what are you? Is it a DUI? Are you giving him?
He's been pretty chill with us. He's been respectful. The car was off. There's 2 beer bottles outside the vehicle. We definitely smell odor of alcoholic beverage coming from this person. Will do. No problem. See ya. Do you mind calling the complainant and just seeing what's up? Major wants all of our body cameras docked, and I'm going to take them off. Alright, so I'm going to be taking you home. Alright, car's going to stay here. Do you need anything from the car?
I would ask. I don't need anything from the car.
Okay. So I was on the phone with my supervisors, running it by.
I got you. This is. I have
the street. Like, I can see your house. That way I can see you walk in your house. I can see you walk in your house safely.
Watch out. You gotta.
Oh, geez.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
You guys don't mind?
Yeah.
Don't ask.
I understand you don't want this to be possible right now. Like I said, I ran it by supervisors. This is all that route we want to go, is to get you home. Okay? So I'm fine with taking you down the street and getting you as close as your home as possible. And then as long as I can see you go inside the house, okay? We can deal with everything about this later down the road. The goal is just to get you home. Okay? All right, you're in a position where I don't want you to be, okay? I'm trying to help you in the best way possible.
I understand.
Okay.
Let's get that done.
Okay.
Front seat.
In my front seat? Yeah, I think I'm fine with that. Or you can sit in the left rear passenger because everything's cleaned out in the back.
I prefer to be in the front.
Okay. All right. Do you need anything from the car?
No. I got a parked wanted.
Yeah. Well, we're just going to leave that there for. Okay. I got it. Thank you. 675. Cool. You don't need anything from the car? Is the car locked? You don't need any paperwork or anything? Give me 1 second. Let me get my front cleared out. All right, come on. You don't have any weapons on you or anything? All right, cool. Someone follow me.
You can stay inside. Yeah.
What's your address again? Or you just want to show me where to go?
I don't want to be recorded right now. I don't know if I'm being recorded.
Well, we all have our body cameras on. That's our policy. With you being in here, the ICV is on. I think this situation's the best for you. I can tell you that, coming from my experience.
Can you drop me off?
Well, I told you I'd get closer. I don't feel comfortable with the unit right next to this roadway.
That's fair.
I've sort of got an idea where I want to drop you off, and then as long as I can see you go inside your house, I'm solid.
I can't go inside my house yet.
Okay.
Allow me this much.
Believe me, I'm helping you out the best that I can.
I know.
I mean, you could be in a different position right now. Okay. Listen, I don't want to.
8:30 Bravo, subject time.
Can we?
We're in front of the tobacco and vape at 29 and Blake for 10-4.
I'm happy to go to Sully. I'm happy to.
Sure, don't touch your back.
What, and speak to my major?
Who is your major anyway?
Commander Russell.
Okay.
8:30 Bravo, we're
I know.
around tobacco.
I only know Giacho because he recently got put at. I think he's doing midnights at Sully.
Okay. Watch Commander?
Yeah, he's doing a major case with me.
Okay.
This looks terrible. This
It's going to be terrible regardless.
doesn't have to be.
Just give me a hypothetical. If we were to go in that house, what would happen?
I think something you have to think about now is like what's going to be the worst, the terrible situation.
I got you. I understand. But my suggestion would be right now, if we could, to go somewhere else and then come back in 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking.
What?
Like Wegmans parking lot or some, I don't care. But my suggestion would be to do that.
Why do you want to wait?
Because I'm going to have a conversation, but I need to have that conversation in a different atmosphere than what I'm going to have right now. And as you can,
I mean, ultimately, this is Officer Byers' call. You know, just here as support.
Listen, my major ordered me and my supervisor ordered me to take you home.
And that you're going to do that. It's a timing matter. I'm asking you to give me that time. Because within about 3 to 5 minutes, this setup is not going to be good. I'm asking you for that favor. Please.
Like I said, this could resulted in a completely different
I understand.
situation where, you know, this could result in
When I
more.
was going to ask you, could I interrupt you?
Mm-hmm.
I apologize. I was going to say something, and now I can't remember exactly what I was going to say, but in a nutshell, thank you.
Mhm. Listen, I immediately recognized you from the start, okay?
Sometimes the situation is such that I know that there's not much a person in my position can say. And I'm trying to express my appreciation for
I understand. You have
your
to.
professionalism and understanding. That's all. Obviously, I'm going to have to resolve today.
Well, what's done is done. I will say that. What has happened over there in that parking lot is done. Okay?
I don't know what that means.
What I mean is there's no arrest. I'll put it that way.
I know.
Okay? I'm lucky I showed up, I immediately recognized you, because if we had newer officers show up and they don't recognize you, you've been done. Okay?
But
I reached out, I did my exact protocol that I'm supposed to do. Reach out to a supervisor. Supervisor notifies someone. Hey, what is the game plan? This is the game plan of which we're in.
can you walk me through that?
So, as of right now, what's happened is I've reached out to a supervisor, which a Major Russell, my commander of my station,
Okay.
is aware of that.
Okay.
Okay? From there on, I have no idea what the protocols of which,
Okay.
I don't know who they notify.
Okay.
Okay? I don't know if they notify.
Well, I'm going to.
Okay.
So that's on
That's
me.
okay. Well, again, I don't know if they notify bosses on your side.
Oh,
Okay, that's fine. But I think the key thing is we learn from today, and we never allow this to happen ever again. Because another situation like this can result in
yeah.
something completely different. All right. You know, we're not trying to get you down here and I want you to be in a position where, you know, you're being under arrest for whether DUI or drunk in public. We don't want that, okay? You know, obviously we've tried our best in a patrol standard, the best that we can.
And to be fair, neither of those two things, I think, had any possibility. But I put myself in a bad spot.
Yeah,
And
I agree.
That I take complete responsibility for.
We're good now? Okay. We'll just give it another minute. Yep.
According to the body cam and police reports, the suspect, age 57, and a senior assistant Commonwealth's attorney, was issued a summons for public drinking, a Class 4 misdemeanor. Officers did not require a sobriety test, and instead transported him home in the front of a cruiser. The incident has prompted calls from Virginia's Attorney General for a review, potential DOJ referral, and significant pressure on Fairfax County's Prosecutor's office to respond. Klingon has a court date scheduled, and the Commonwealth's Attorney's office has placed him on leave pending further investigation.
All right. Major one.